Hello everyone! I will show you today how to knit a beautiful baby blanket. This is so fluffy and so light, but the most important, it grows so fast. This is an easy pattern and it grows literally just in minutes. In couple hours you will create this beautiful, nice, fluffy and soft blanket that it's adorable. I was using baby yarn. This is oldie. It goes 100 grams, 95 meters approximately, and they suggest using needles number 8. Even if you are new to knitting, I will show you how to make it. It's very easy and it's really sophisticated. I was using the pattern of 3 knit 3 purl here and 4 rows it change, so it's very easy. To start with, I need to cast my stitches, so I will leave a little bit of my yarn and make a slip knot. Then I will insert 2 of my needles inside, hold the end of my yarn on my thumb, and the working end I will hold on my pointy finger. Then I will try to make a loop from my thumb to the pointy fingers. Loop 1, from my thumb to my pointy finger, loop 2, from my thumb to my pointy finger, loop 3, from my thumb to my pointy finger, and I will make like that 10 of stitches. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then I will take one needle off. I will show you just a small pattern. First stitch you always take off. I always take off just to have a nice edge like this. You will see it's like a braid. And then I will go 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4 to purl. The last stitch I always use like a purl. Second row I will take off the first one and then do knit. Take it through the loop, take the yarn through the loop, very easy, and one more, and purl, yarn over, and do again. The yarn through the loop, the yarn through the loop, and the last one purl. Next row we'll do the same. First one off, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, and then purl 1, 2, 3 and 4, and purl the last one. I'm at the end of my yarn. I will just pick another one. I will take off my one and do knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, and purl the last one. Turn the work around I've made 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and look, 4 rows, it's already some jobs done. Now we need to switch the pattern. I will go purl 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I will go purl again 1, 2, 3 and 4, and purl the last one. Turn the back around and repeat the pattern. It goes purl, 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 and knit, 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 purl the last one, you go again, purl, 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 and the knit, knit, sorry, I'm using the scrap yarns, just the end of it that was left from my jumper. Jumper will be in my next tutorial. How to do it, I will just take another yarn, knit, knit, and purl. I will tighten my ends at the end. I repeat the pattern, take off 1, purl, 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 and purl, knit, 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 and knit, and purl the last one. I will tighten these ends. We'll do 1 and 2. So I've made 4 more rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I will switch the pattern again. I will go knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, and then purl 1, 2, 3, and 4, and purl the end. Here I will repeat my pattern, purl, 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 oh, knit, 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 and purl, 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 and purl. Turn my work around, repeat the pattern where I did knit, so I did purl on the other side, but here I can see it's knit, so I will continue my pattern, knit, 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 and knit, and I will go purl, 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 and purl, the last one, purl, and continue this pattern 4 rows and switch. In this piece I've made 4 stitches and 4 stitches, but on this piece you can see it was 3 stitches, so it goes a little bit smaller. You can choose any pattern you like, 3 stitches or 4 stitches. This is how it goes. This is the fastest ever blanket growing. If you like my tutorial, please put me a thumbs up, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.